All right, tooter22 doing a personal box of ice. Let's see what happens here. This is from a fresh master case. Saving the other half of that last master for the second team case. First up, Eunice Natanen to $9.99, Ice Premiers. Here comes a hit. Brandon Saad, Glacial Graphs. Brandon Saad, old Blackhawk. Next, Darnell Nurse, Fresh Threads. Darnell Nurse. Here comes a black. Beautiful. I think that's one. Yep, 1 of 349, Leon Draisaitl. Lustrous Rookie Autograph. Leon Draisaitl. Beautiful. Cola. Son of a... $4.99, Victor Rask. Premiers. $9.99, Bogdan Yakimov. Good old Yakimov. Base pack. And Florida, who's going to be $7.99, Rocco Grimaldi for the Florida Panthers. Premiers rookie. So Tudor, there you have it.